Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel and onto the Tenten app. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through on how to use the app efficiently. Well, first thing is you can get the application on the Play Store and App Store. Once you open it up, you'll be on the login page. When you first open up the app, you'll need to sign up or log in. Simply enter your email and create a secure password and log into your account. So tap on Let's Go and choose how old are you. So once you choose, tap on continue and you can choose whether to log in with TikTok or log in with your particular Google account. I'll choose Google account for here now and agree, and you can do so similarly and you can easily log in. So you can add profile picture here, then add your name, then you can add your friends if you want here. You need at least one friend to use Tenten. So you'll have to add your friends. So you can see the pin, they can add you through pin or tap on plus icon. You can either add by pin, you can share your pin or invite friends. So once they have the pin, they'll be able to add you, and you can see if you head into your settings, you'll find the edit option, power moves, legal stops, and various other options here. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.